And you know I gotta get this.
Up there. Don't look like much till you get up top.
Whipple supercharger. Now, how much did that cost for that? Because that ain't the original engine, is it?
No, that's a 408 stroker LS motor. That's a 1.9 Whipple. That Whipple was probably $6,000 something. Then the motor, we build the motor, so you probably build that motor for around $3,500. Now we've got a bigger Whipple at the house at the shop for it. That's a 1.9. We've got a 2.9 Whipple. That one puts out about 600 horsepower. The one we've got for it puts out about 800 horsepower.
Wow.
So we're gonna swap it out here soon.
Wow. I always love these old bodies. OBS. It's beautiful.
Yeah, but when everybody's burned out.
Did you redo the inside, anything?
It's all original. It's got all new lift kit on it. The rear end's got 456 gears. It's got a BDS lift kit. It's got a 4L80 transmission, brand new transfer case. It's got a Holley Terminator X system.
I made them get away.
And if you wouldn't believe it or not, I mean, a lot of people love these older vehicles versus the newer ones. More on YouTube, a lot more. Because out of all the vehicles I film, my 93 S10 does the most on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, we've got a shop right up the road, and that's what we do every day. We build these older trucks. We've got a 67 C10 that we're doing frame off restoration, and it's QA1 suspension, Willwood disc brakes. It's getting a 6.2 LS with a 6-speed manual and all in it. It's gonna be a beautiful build.
And where the shop is located at?
Right here off College Park Road, Big Sexy Motorsports.
Mm-hmm.
And we do a lot of LS swaps and custom work.
I'll tag it in the video. Definitely stop by his shop and check it out. I appreciate that.
what was that, 64, wasn't it?
3.
No, mine was 63. I think it was a 64.
Yeah.
64 DeVille.
Wow. The boat.
Oh, we do everything. Everything.
Y'all put train horns on?
We do it all.
Wow.
Like I said, that 67 C10, that's everything. We pulled the whole truck apart. It came in with a straight 6.3 on the tree, and it's rolling out with the 6.2 LS with a 6-speed manual. And we kept telling the guy, "Boy, you got to paint it. We got to paint it." I mean, it's got. We did the frame, and it's all gloss black powder coated, and it's custom ordered wheels, and I mean, it's shaving all the chrome off the truck, and it's dropped down. The truck probably won't sit 5. It ain't much off the ground. It's down there.
Wow.
It's a beautiful truck.
Very nice.
Yeah, we got a car. I just got him his first car. It'll be a Malibu wagon, so he's getting that.
What year?
81.
Yeah, 81 Malibu wagon. That'll be his first. And, he likes the Mustang, so I just picked him up a Mustang. So.
How old are you?
17.
How old are you?
14.
You want a Mustang?
Yeah.
My daughter wants a Mustang.
Yeah, I had Fox Body years ago. I used to race and stuff.
Yeah.
And he loved the Mustangs ever since then, so he loves the Mustang now. So I told him I'd find him a Mustang.
Mm-hmm. I told my daughter she can have it. I'm a Chevy guy.
Yeah, I told him I found him a little V6 Mustang. I told him, I said, V6 is cheaper on insurance. So you can swap the K member out. We'll just put an LS K member in it.
Yeah,
I got
dad, man.
LS's messing laying around. So.
And this-
LS's.
Is this the original color on this and
Yep.
everything too?
Yeah, the Yukon GT, and then the Tahoe SS came in black like that, the original black. Now this one's been repainted.
Okay,
They
okay.
found this thing in a river, pulled it out of the water.
Wow.
Yeah. So we had to cut all the front end parts and all off of it. The bolts
Right.
was rusted solid.